Say hello to this happy little fellow. His name is X-Ray, and isn't he gorgeous? Look, he's got one white leg and one black leg with cute little white paws. Look at his face. Oh, he's so cute. Now, X-Ray is a very, very playful young guy. He's a young cat, so lots of energy with this fellow. X-Ray is a very friendly cat. He likes to be sit on laps with you, and he likes to be picked up. He's fine with that. He likes to be petted, although he will let you know when he's had enough by just kind of swatting at you a little bit. But you know what? He is front declawed, so you don't have to worry about being scratched, and you don't have to worry about your draperies or your furniture. However, Mr. X-Ray will need to be an indoor-only kitty because cats who are front declawed simply cannot take care of themselves outside. So X-Ray is going to need to be an indoor-only kitty, but that will be just fine with him. He's used to being indoors, and he loves to play and be petted and sit on laps, like I said. He's also done very well with older children from 4 years old and up. His previous owners noticed that he did hiss at a younger sibling sometimes, so X-Ray might be better with older kids. But he is just a wonderful boy, full of love and energy and fun, and he would make a great addition to just about any family. Not only a wonderful, friendly, fun boy, but absolutely gorgeous as well, or should I say handsome. So if you're looking for a fun guy with lots of energy and love to give, come take a look at X-Ray. Oh, I should also tell you that his favorite toy is those little jingle balls, and he will even play fetch with them. So if you want a fetch-playing cat, X-Ray is your guy. This is X-Ray, an all-around wonderful kitty, available for adoption at Great Plains SPCA.